a guy called Mike Jesus. He's the president of DBP.
Wow.
He's younger than me.
Wow.
And richer.
How many years?
28 years.
Wow.
Wow.
So hindi naman po,
But him and my ex-husband, we used to go out for dinner together. My ex-husband, sabi ko, I can handle 2 guys at the same time. Kaya-kaya yan. So, always open your options.
so for the record lang po, gano'n na kayo katagal?
28 years.
28 years na rin. So hindi po totoo na porke younger yung guy, hindi kayo nagkakasundo?
He became old na rin. They become old na rin. He's a very serious, he's a banker. Serious.
So sino po yung nag-a-adjust sa inyo?
Siya, siyempre. Diba?
Pero what do you teach about the young guys?
Nothing. They become old. Okay. They get matured and all that. But my husband was only 15 days older than me. So we were same age. Markada.
Open pa kayo sa marriage?
Wag na. At my age, alam naman maka-white pa ako. Diba?
Pwede naman po.
Pwede naman. Miss Universe.
Or red?
Or red or
Pero
black.
hindi naman po kayo dahil na trauma sa previous.
No, my husband was very good. But we just, we were younger and we had too many friends. But we parted as friends. And he became a better father to... my husband looks very much like Belle and looks very much like Ava. And I'm very close to my in-laws.
So what
So
ganyan,
that's why I don't have any real trauma. Iniisip ko nga kung ano.
what advice can you give lang po